Today I am going to show you how to do the setup of your HP DeskJet 4327 all-in-one printer. This is a wireless printer. It can do the copy, print and scan, and it also has a ADF tray, so you can use it for copying and scanning multiple pages. Let's do the setup. First, remove the protective tape. Remove both the tapes from here, and then open the front door, open the door behind, and remove this cardboard from here, close it. Next is to switch on the printer, plug in the power cable at the back side of the printer, plug it in here. Also remove tape from the feeder tray. Load the paper, slide the paper tray from the back, lift it and move it to the one side. There is a blue lever. Load letter size or plain paper. Switch on the printer. Open the front chamber. We have to install the setup in cartridges, and then pull this door. Wait for the ink chamber to move and come into the middle. Remove the orange seal from the base of the ink cartridge. Place the ink cartridge here and push it in. Remove the seal from the black ink cartridge and do it same. Place it here and then close this door. Wait for the printer. It will print the alignment page. Printer just printed the alignment page. Next is to scan it. Open the lid, place it here facing down, and then click the color copy button and wait for the printer to finish the scanning. Alignment is done. You can keep this page safe, or if you want you can just discard it. Next step is to do the wireless setup of the printer. Go to the printer control panel. If the Wi-Fi light is flashing and if your printer is new, that means it's in the setup mode. If you see it's not flashing and it's not in the setup mode, then you have to press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button for 3 seconds and then release it. So right now we are just going to connect it with the internet. Go to your smartphone. You can use your iPhone or Android phone. Right now I'm just going to use the Android phone. Go to the Play Store. In the Play Store type in HP app and search it. Select this app. That's the app we need to download, and after installing it, open the app. Next is to do the setup of the printer. Click on the add printer or add device. Select the first option, setup and connect a new printer. Connect a new printer to your network. Launch setup. How do you want to connect this printer? So using the Wi-Fi. Continue. Get printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi. So it's already ready. So we have made it ready. Click on the continue. On the next page you will see HP DeskJet 4300 series. Select it. Your smartphone is connected to a home Wi-Fi network and it will display the network name. To connect it with the Wi-Fi network, you have to enter the Wi-Fi password. Now enter the password here. After entering the password, click on the continue. Continue the setup process. Press and release the flashing eye button on the printer control panel. Press the flashing eye button on the printer control panel. Press it once. Continue the setup process. Printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. Click continue. For the printer privacy, you can click on the accept all, or you can choose any option according to yourself. Select your country and then click continue. Register this printer and enjoy the account benefits. You can join for the HP account, it's free, or you can just skip it. You can use the app even without that, so that's good. For the ink delivery, you can click on the enable ink delivery, but right now I'm not going to do that. Click on the do not enable ink delivery if you don't want it automatically. You can skip the offer. For the updates, you can click on the auto updates and then click on the save. You can print the welcome page for the confirmation. Just to save the ink and paper, click on the skip printing page. Continue. That's our printer, HP DeskJet 4300 all-in-one printer series, and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning from here. So I'll show you how to do the scanning. Click on the scan icon. Next is to place the pages on the ADF tray. To start the scanning, we can use the ADF tray to scan the multiple pages at once. Adjust this size. Place the pages facing up. So if it has some kind of writing, for example this one, so it should be facing up and goes all the way there. You can also use the scanner pad to scan the ID or passport. Now go to your smartphone. On this page, we have to start the scanning. Before doing that, just click on the top section. Select page size. So it could be automatic, or you can just select the size from there. Source, document feeder or scanner. If you are using a scanner glass, you can select from here. DPI and color options are there. Go back and click on the scan icon. This is the scanning of multiple pages, and we can save it as a single PDF file or as a JPEG file. So we just finished the scanning of all the 3 pages. Here we can see all the pages are available. All the 3 pages are here, and if you want, you can save it or you can share it. To save, click on the save icon. You can give a name to your file and then you can select file type. So right now I'm just going to use it as a basic PDF and click on the save. On the next page, click save icon. File is saved, click on the close. To go back, click on the preview, exit scan. That's our main app. So that's the setup of the printer, and we just connected it with the home internet, and now we can use it with the smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. And you can also do the copy. This can only do one-sided copy and one-sided scanning. It cannot do the automatic two-sided, but it's a great feature to use the automatic feeder tray. If you want, you can also add this printer to other devices like your MacBook, laptop or Chromebook, even in the tablets and iPads. Hopefully this will help you to use your printer properly.